Hey guys, how are you doing? This is me, Echo, again from DailyFulfill, and welcome to our DailyFulfill channel. Today, I'm going to share something that is real important to your dropshipping business called supply chain. And we know fulfillment is the entire process behind getting your orders delivered to your customers after it is ordered online. And it is also part of supply chain, entails receiving, inspecting, and storing inventory, processing orders, sorting out items, and shipping items to your customer's destination. The dropshipper only takes part of the retail end of the system, which deals with sales, marketing, and customer service. There are a lot of problems that can really put a major crumb in your day. What if the item is out of stock, and what if the wholesaler experienced delays in shipping and the price had changed, and what if there was a mistake in product set? So if you are thinking about taking it to the next level, you need to see your store like a real business, where you are dropshipping as a full-time occupation. However, even on a small scale, you need to be familiar with something called supply chain management. It is literally heart of a real e-commerce business, especially when you have daily order volume of hundreds or thousands of. It is all about supply chain game them. And if we don't plan ahead, the bad supply chain will definitely kill your business. Like before Q4, the supply chain is usually normal. And when it comes to Q4, everything exploded. And what if factory can't keep up with your sales? And products are out of stock, and production delays, and shipping delays, and poor quality, and etc. Expectations of shipping speed are highest at holiday seasons because customers will be more demanding about their gift to be arrived in time. So if you don't plan all this stuff ahead, you will definitely get unhappy customers instead of a big fortune, which leads to high refund rates and PayPal account issues and low feedback scores, etc. And what are the benefits of a good supply chain? Although good supply chain management takes work, it offers many short and long-term benefits. Not only can cash flow improve while costs decrease, but you can also increase efficiency and gain more control over your business processes. And good supply chain management can enhance your organization's overall performance and you enable growth opportunities. You can do more than making your own business run more smoothly. And you can also develop a competitive edge over other companies in your industry due to the increased ability to reduce costs and improve productivity. And you need to really get in there and dig for gold. However, dropshippers who have established relationships with wholesalers and a wide customer base will benefit greatly from the efficiency of smoothly functioning and proactive supply chain management, which will make all that effort worthwhile. And the only thing you need now is to find someone who do it for you. So how do we know if your agency is the perfect fit to manage your supply chain? The first one is if they are able to source directly from manufacturers, and do they work with or communicate with and manage factories directly. There are many agents don't communicate with factories, and it is not good. They cannot proactively manage your inventory and working out issues with factories. It is so important for your supplier to actually work with multiple factories to make sure you have enough stock, or you're gonna face a lot of issues. In forming partnerships with manufacturers of any size, it's very important to understand potential risks, discuss them at the outset of talks of working together with them, and clearly establish expectations and outcomes. And the second is if they have professional team and well-organized warehouse. You really don't want to work with a team with only 2 or 3 folks working in garage. They won't be able to take a good care of your orders. As you scale up, you really need to be working with someone who is a lot more experienced and who has capacity to actually scale with you. There should be a procurement team, a warehouse team, a logistics team, etc. And someone who also do connection work. All this stuff need to be taken into consideration. And the third one is they should have better quality control, because poor quality control can become very expensive for your business, as the cost of repairs and the replacements can add up quickly. And it is also do harm to your store score and ads account score, something like that. And with effective supply chain management, you have greater control over the quality of your products and services, and your agent should be able to compare different qualities from different factories and find the best option for you. Either setting up a meeting, a video meeting with you, or sending you some videos to compare the qualities. And the last one is they should have transparent communications with you. Are they transparent with issues, or they are able to tell you when issues happen? Trust me, issues do happen. Are they able to work with you to resolve these issues, or they just hiding them from you? Because you definitely don't want that, and you want to know and want to work with your suppliers to fix them. Like if they are honest about the stock status and shipping times and etc. Those things are pretty crucial so that you won't be troubled by disputes when you finally find out the issues later on, because these problems can be avoided ahead. And we DailyFulfill actually run supply chain business here in China, and we helped a lot of clients to scale up their business to 7 or 8 figures. So hope this video is helpful to you, and if you are interested, please feel free to contact us, and I will link to us below. I would much appreciate if you give us a thumbs up, or if you want to find more related content, please don't miss out by subscribe to our channel or join our Facebook group. What we DailyFulfill provide is one-on-one VIP service for each professional dropshippers. DailyFulfill is a solid support, and you just focus on what matters. We make your business easy and we scale together. This is Echo from DailyFulfill, and thanks for watching. Stay safe and see you next time.